Yes boys, welcome back to another video. We are still in Luang Prabang in Laos. I'm just outside my hotel, which has got a lovely building site across the road, which has woken me up this morning, but it's for good reason, because I'm going to head to the gym now. It's going to be a bit of a chill day. Bobby's turning up later, about 3 PM, so I'm going to go gym now, and then later this evening we're going to do the sunset hike up Fusi Hill, which is meant to be banging. So let's see what happens in between them. I'm sure I'll find something to do, but yeah, let's drive to the gym now, get a session in, and see where the day takes us, boys. Here we go, boys. The gym is a 6-minute drive away, so let's get there safely and get this session in, boys. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, that's me trying to remember the bloody right, left, 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 right. Oh, what was I just saying? Fuck knows. But the phone holder don't work on the bike. Right, left, right, left. So that's the right. Now we need the left. Where's the left? But yeah, but it's a little bit chilly here. This is early January, boys. So right, left. That looks all like a left to me. It's a little bit chilly here, boys. It's like early January in Laos, but it is early in the day, I think. The sun sort of burns through after a while, but whoo! In the old shorts, it's chilly on the old willy, boys. Right, left. Is that meant to be the right? I don't know. Lost. Right, left, right. Let's chuck this right here. And you do drive on the right in Laos, so come from the UK, don't be ripping on the left, because you will be in store for a head-on collision, guys. Good morning. Look, I might even get a nice little Lao. They love, because of the French influence, you get the sandwiches here, like the baguettes we had on the soba the first day, and they're actually banging. So, right, left, right. So this could be the next right we were on about. Right. Woo! Good morning, Lao. Let's get the mats back out. How's your boy? Could be that. I am on the right course. Straight up the end here. I really am loving the difference from Thailand to Laos though. Much slower pace, less distractions, can focus more on my videos. And yeah, I'm excited for Bobby to get here later. He was planning to stay in Thailand a bit longer, but he's decided to come and join the boys, which I think is a good choice. And yeah, Van Vien's got loads to do. So tomorrow we're going to be getting the train down to Van Vien. We've got all sorts to do there. We're going to hire buggies, there's paramotoring, there's hot air balloons, there's these lagoons you can go to, which are just beautiful. We can go chill there, swim there. Yeah, Van Vien's meant to be the one, boys. Shit! The dogs are barking. We've made it, peeps. Cushy. So yeah, let's get inside, boys. It's got to be a little chest pump here. A little push session, I think. I've just hit 3 sets of chest, incline dumbbell press, and I meant a couple of sets of shoulders, but this is the gym, boys. Got everything in it you could think of. Little set of shoulders, boys. That's 3 sets of dumbbell press done, 3 sets of shoulder press. Just hitting a few sets of side raises. And I'm gonna hit a bit of back, boys, but look at the gym. It's 10 out of 10 in there, boys. Proper warehouse gym, got everything you need, dumbbells, machines. proper warehouse vibe, proper gym, and it feels good to be training after minimal training, boys. I don't even think I've trained 5 times in the last month, so it's good to get back to it. So, just finishing the gym now, boys. That's called Mitafon Gym in Luang Prabang. It was 60,000 kit, which is like £2 English. It's got dumbbells up to 50 kg, all the cardio bits you need, all the machines you need. So yeah, Mitafon Fitness, boys. So yeah, it's probably the best gym I've been to in Southeast Asia. So yeah, if you need somewhere to train in Luang Prabang, get down here, boys. But gonna head back to the room now. I think I'm gonna go get Jesse out of bed. The old bed rotter. He's probably scrolling TikTok, laying there scrolling TikTok. He loves it. He loves to sleep, that boy. But yeah, gonna go back and grab him and go get some breakfast, boys. Something high protein. Like, I ain't been eating enough protein at home. I'm eating about 200 grams of protein a day, and I probably ain't even getting 50, 60 here. No wonder I'm wasting away. But yeah, less of the gym talk. I know a lot of you probably ain't here for the gym stuff, so let's get back out, let's explore Luang Prabang, get a bit of breakfast, and then later on when Bob turns up, hit that Fusi Hill hike. But yeah, let's get back to the room, boys. Restful.
Wow, the gym makes you feel good, boys. Get up, get out. I needed to stay consistent. It's so hard when traveling, stay consistent, but especially when you're moving about all the time, you have to find the new gym, find the spot, get your sleeping pattern. It's like, it's tough, but am I just making excuses? I probably am. Time to lock in, lads.
I spent the last few hours editing, made a few little TikToks. Jesse's back there, just in the shop there. We're gonna take a little stroll. We ain't got the bikes no more, we gave them back, so we're gonna be leaving tomorrow. Didn't see the point of really having them for the rest of the half of the day. I think it's 1 o'clock now. Bobby's turning up in about a couple of hours. And yeah, we're just gonna go get some food. I haven't actually eaten today. It's like 1 o'clock. Obviously trained this morning, still ain't eaten, so need to get me protein in, lads. But yeah, the sun is shining and it's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Luang Prabang. We're I don't know if you can see up there through them electrical lines, that golden, it's like a temple looking thing at the top of that hill. It's called Fusi Hill. That is the sunset hike we're going to do later when Bob turns up. So we'll have a nice little stroll up there later on, watch the sunset. I'm sure it'll be lovely. And then I think later on tonight we're going to hit up the bowling alley, boys, because we haven't really hit up the bowling alley, and now Bob's turning up. I think we'll have a few beers later, nothing crazy, and yeah, go bowling, boys. Should be fun. Just here on Amazon, boys. Get some new drone batteries. Big Dezo's gonna bring them from home. Cut a little bit in the old family bakery. Waiting on a chicken burger. Chicken burger. Here we go, boys. Cut the chicken burgers. Coasty. Coasty, coasty. Give us 2 instead of 1 big one. Yeah. Couple of chips. Cup chai. Enjoy. Yes, boys. We're back. We're out the room. We're heading to Fusi Hill now for the sunset hike. We've left it a little bit late. As you can see, there's still daylight, but we need to get up there, boys. We're running out of time, so we've squatted back up. Here's the Gallahan. Yep, and we've got a new character back in the vlog. The bobsleigh is back. He's made it out of Thailand alive. And we're heading to the Fusi Hill, guys. So yeah, let's do it. Also, you would have seen them by now, but the first 3 Bangkok vlogs, I've edited them up, and I've just gone to upload them now, and all 3 of them are like corrupt. The files are corrupt, so I've got to re-edit all 3. So they'll be live now, boys. So if you haven't seen them, go back, watch them. Even if you don't watch them, just go onto it, give me the view and chuck a like on it, boys, because them three cause me absolute scenes, boys. But you live and you learn, mate. Technical difficulties, that's what comes with being a content creator, or a wannabe content creator, should I say. Here we go, boys. Start of the hike, Fushi Hill. Shitload of steps, boys, so let's crack on with them. One step at a time for mankind. He's done it, boys. Sweaty Betty, we've made it up here, boys. That is the view, as you can see. The gaff is absolutely ramdangered, but to be expected, boys, to be expected. Everyone's getting the photo, boys.
I really can't. Get some more for photos.
Nice and quiet up here, isn't it, boys? Lovely and quiet. Nice secluded sunset spot. You know, if you're trying to find somewhere to watch the sunset alone, come to Fushi Hill, guys. The bobsleigh's made it back from Thailand and he's brought me my laundry I left behind, my favourite t-shirts, my Nike t-shirt, 4 pairs of boxers, which is the most important one because I've been turning mine inside out. But yeah, boys, we're back at the room. We're going to have a freshen up, shoot out, get some food, head to a hostel, have a few drinks, then we're going down the bowling alley, the famous Luang Prabang bowling alley, and we're going to have a great time. Oh, we're out, the boys are out and about. Bobby's here, Jesse's here. We're off to have a couple of drinkies, and then we're going bowling, boys, to the famous Luang Prabang bowling alley, boys. So let's get to it. The lads, we're here. The boys, we've turned up to the bowling alley. We was told it was going to be busy, but as you can see, there's no one here, there's no one here. Is it? Oh, there's a few people about, lads. Yeah, boys, there ain't no grub here, boys. So we thought we'd come here, get a bit of food, a couple of games of bowling. Got to have a pot noodle, boys. Ain't no grub, I'm starving. The Bobby's starving. Never had a pot noodle in my life, boys. Never in my life had a pot noodle in my life. But we're getting one now. We're living lavish. We're living the high life.
We're living the fucking highlight.
We're living the high life, lads. It's a little pork bit, boys.
Summer's being a pork pot noodle.
Living lavish. Game 1 done. I've been absolutely smoked, but we're going in for game 2, boys. The drinks are flowing, the games are flowing.
He takes it 1-0. Beats me by 2 points.
Bob's 1-0 up, but listen, we've got a few more games to come, boys. I'm coming for the victory this time, lads. But this is sick. If you're in Luang Prabang, get to this bowling alley, boys.
Hey,
you can drink in here, you can smoke in here, and you can bang birds in here. Destroyed them on the bowling, showed him where the daddy is, and now I'm going to have a little go at the archery, and I'll probably smoke them on this as well.
we'll see, mate, we'll see.
Go on.
Push it, 20.
Hold
20K,
it, hold it.
Come on.
Listen, guys, I don't know if this is safe. You're meant to have a guard on your arm. I've done it in Turkey as a kid, but yeah, it weren't like this. But I'm going to clip it in the end here. Yeah, come up here. That looks all right to me. Stand where? Here.
That's a 3.
A 1, a 2, a 3 to the 4.
Hello everybody. Hey guys, we're back again. Just a little update. We left the bowling alley and Bobby's taking us to 7-Eleven. He's adamant on a ham and cheese toasty. He's ever so hungry, boys. If you're in Luang Prabang, make sure you have dinner because once he gets past about 10-11, ain't happening, boys.
Overtake.
Yeah, we're off to 7-Eleven, boys. A little load up and off the kip. And I'm gonna give this fella the best night of his life. Yeah, boys, if you're in Luang Prabang, this is the only 7-Eleven in Luang Prabang. So if you're here and you wanna get what you're getting in Thailand, this is the gaff. I've got my gyozas and I've got my chicken basil. Bobby's on the prowl. He's after some Cheetos. It ain't, well, it is. This is like a Thailand one, but it's like the only one in Luang Prabang. So yeah, she's a beauty, boy. We get me gyozas and my chicken and basil and rice. nothing else here. If you're like past 10, 11 o'clock, there ain't nothing in Luang Prabang, so. What are you getting at? Here he is.
Where's that Gatorade at, motherfucker?
It's not much drink choice. I think I'll get a Pepsi. Latte? You're even crazy. True that. You ain't got a fridge, have we? Yeah. Have we? Get a little Pepsi myself, boys. And another water. I know he's low on water, so that is what you call a 7-11 load up, people. Guy hoses. Chicken basil and rice. Carver cake. Crisp, water, Pepsi. And the tuk-tuk fella's outside, he's waiting for us, so thank the Lord, boys. Gonna pay for this, get back to the room, and I might show you me grabbing on it. You wanna watch me eat my food? Maybe not. Don't care if you do. Yeah, boys, smashing me grub. A little lava cake, back at the room. Have a little edit up. The bobsleigh's lurking about, Jesse's in bed, and we're gonna wrap up this one here, guys. So if you did enjoy watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow where we're getting the train to Vanvier, and we've got heaps planned there, boys. So that's me signing out, and remember, live life to the max, boys.